Yes, hi, good morning. I'm Caroline Afflick, a resident of the Mezgar community in St. Thomas, 13 miles from the downtown Kingston community. And this we have had for many years been experiencing several difficulties within this community, the road network in particular. The condition of the roads are so poor. It affects persons in various ways. In particular, for me, my vehicle, several trips have to be made to the mechanic. That is just one aspect of it, but there are other areas, other issues such as security concerns, getting into the community. If there are issues as relates to the weather, poor weather condition, as in recent times, we are marooned into the community. It is in a very, very poor state, and it is not only a security risk, there are other factors that affect us equally. If there's any emergency, we can't get out, can't get in. This community really needs attention from the relevant authorities, and we are really seeking that assistance as it is now.
How long it has been like this?
It has been like this for a number of years. I would say not a number. It has been like this for years. And we have been tolerant. The community members have tried to facilitate the circumstances in various ways, community projects, raising funds to do things, but it is a drop in the bucket.
Have you spoken to your member of parliament?
We have approached the member of parliament as well as the councillor for assistance, but we're still waiting for a response.
Okay, you haven't received a response from
We have not had any response as yet. This community is a prime residential community. The majority of the persons here are middle income earners, taxpayers. It's a fairly quiet community, but notwithstanding, we still need help and assistance within this community to improve the condition of the roads in particular, and wherever else we can get assistance in terms of security, other facilities, to accommodate the citizens within this community. We would sincerely appreciate it.
We have been having a serious plight in terms of our road conditions. I've been here over 15 years. We have been lobbying or trying to get the assistance to aid with our road from the member of parliament and councillor, to no avail. We are in a desperate plight right now. Many a times we have community members who are marooned because the condition of the road is they are unable to traverse on it. So please, Jamaica, whatever can be done, and the authorities, we do seek and need your help, desperate help.
I'm sending this voice note to highlight the plight of the infrastructure of the Mezgar Garden community, in particular the roads, which are in a deplorable condition. Last year, 2020, I was marooned in my community due to the ditches in the road. They are not potholes. I could stand in the ditches and not be seen. That's how deep they were. The roads from the top of Mezgar Boulevard to the other end of the community at times is impossible, because right now it has been reduced from asphalt to dirt track. Now, this cannot continue. We are citizens who pay our taxes, who are working class people that should get better representation from our elected representative.